Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage auto off mode for your headphones Philips. You have to start by open Philips headphones application. Of course, you need to add your headphones to the application and your headphones should be connected with the app. Did I have connection? Yes. Okay, let's reopen the app. Now go to the settings at the right bottom, and right here at the second line we have auto off mode. Tap at this line. Now you can set timer for 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4, 6. Just tap at the best one for you, and if you don't need auto off mode, because after, let's say you set it to 1 hour, after you do not use your headphones for 1 hour, your headphones will turn off. And if you don't need it, just select off, and now we disable this mode. Click done, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!